This video introduces the functions of purchasing and repairing. The purpose of this feature is to provide a way to purchase our company's products and their after-sales service. The following is an introduction to the entry path. Click to work. Find after-sales management. Click to purchasing or repair. Enter the contact homepage. You can contact us through email, phone, or other means. After you provide your contact information, we will have a dedicated person to contact you. That's all for the introduction of purchasing and repairing functions. I hope it will be helpful to you. Thank you for watching.